Hello everyone, we have a cool maths question here. If you know the answer to this question, put it in the comments. Let's solve it together. 3 plus 9 times 4 over 3. The numerator has two operations, addition and multiplication. Now, are we going to solve the addition first or we'll solve the multiplication first? There is one way to settle this argument, that is following the order of operation called PEMDAS. Some country call it BODMAS. I will be using PEMDAS. Following this PEMDAS, we have P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. When we look at this, you can see that the multiplication came before the addition. So we are going to solve the multiplication first. But before then, let's rearrange this question by writing it like this. 3 plus 9 times 4 in parentheses. This division sign will come here, divide by this 3. Now we agreed to solve this one first. So we have 3 plus 9 times 4 is 36 in parentheses, divide by 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. Divide by 3. 39 divided by 3 will give us 13. This is the correct answer. Some people think that the answer to this question is actually 3 plus 9 is what? Is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 over 3. And that is 16. So some people think the answer to this question is 16. This is wrong.